Hey guys, Logan here from O2 Vape, and today we're going to show you how to charge your battery. Now I know this sounds simple, but there is a wrong way to do it. So what I'm going to show you is the right way and the wrong way to charge your battery. So first thing, we're going to show you a couple wrong ways to charge your battery. So what I have here is a buttonless O2 Vape battery and a 3.7 volt charger. What we don't recommend doing is screwing the battery onto the charger first. What you can do is you can tighten the battery too tight, which in turn pushes the connection plate down and you don't get a good connection with your cartridge, therefore making for a bad experience, if you get an experience at all. The other thing that we don't recommend doing is using a fast charger or a rapid charger indicated by the lightning bolt, or tablet chargers, as these put out too much power and can fry your battery. The correct way to charge your battery is to use a laptop or a standard 5-volt block charger that you would plug into the wall. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to plug in your USB charger first. Green light comes on, and then you're simply going to screw the battery on after. What this allows you to do is see the light turn red right when you get a connection. So as you see, it didn't take much to tighten it on there, and we can even tighten it a little more, but we have a good secure connection. We know it's not going to damage the connection plate, and we know it's going to be ready to go when it's finished. So thank you guys for choosing O2 Vape, and have a vape-filled day.